Hello students, we are doing chapter number 9 logarithm exercise 9.1. In previous video till question number 4 we have done, and today we are starting from question number 5. Given log a to base 10 is equal to b, express 10 to the power 2b minus 3 in term of a. So first of all, whatever is given that we will change into the exponential form. It is given log a to base 10 is equal to b. So if we change into exponential form, it will be 10 to the power b is equal to a. Now we will focus on this which we have to change. So 10 to the power 2b minus 3, which we can write as 10 to the power 2b, and minus means 10 to the power 3. It will come in denominator. So this we can write as 10 to the power b whole square, and this is 1000. 10 to the power b is equal to a. So this we can replace as a square by 1000. Question number 6. Given log x to base 10 is equal to a, log y to base 10 equal to b, and log z to base 10 equal to c. We have to write down 10 to the power 2a minus 3 in term of x. This is like fifth question only. So first this we will change into the exponential form. Log x to base 10 is equal to a. So this we can write as 10 to the power a is equal to x. Now this we will change. So 10 to the power 2a minus 3 we can write as 10 to the power 2a divided by 10 to the power 3. And 10 to the power a whole square, 2a we can write like this, upon 1000, and 10 to the power a is equal to x, so it will become x square by 1000. Second part, write down 10 to the power 3b minus 1 in term of y. So first, log y equal to b we will change into the exponential form. This will be 10 to the power b is equal to y. Now this you split out. We can write it 10 to the power 3b divided by 10 to the power 1, or 10 to the power b whole cube by 10, and 10 to the power b is equal to y, so y cube by 10. Third part, if log p is equal to 2a plus b by 2 minus 3c, express p in the term of x, y and z. So first of all, this we will change into the exponential form. This is base and this will be power. So we can write it as 10 to the power 2a plus b by 2 minus 3c is equal to p, or p is equal to 10 to the power 2a plus b by 2 minus 3c, which we can write like this, 10 to the power 2a plus 10 to the power b by 2, and divided by, this will be in multiplication, and divided by 10 to the power 3c. Now 10 to the power a whole square, 2 we can write outside, 10 to the power b power 1 by 2, 10 to the power c power 3. 10 to the power a is equal to x. So this is x square. 10 to the power b is equal to y to the power 1 by 2, and this is z to the power 3. So we got p is equal to x square square root of y upon z cube. Next, question number 7. If log of x to base 10 is equal to a and log of y to base 10 is equal to b, find the value of x and y. So first, this given thing we will change into the exponential form. So here we will get x is equal to 10 to the power a and y is equal to 10 to the power b. Now we have to find out the value of x, y. X is 10 to the power a and y is 10 to the power b, which we can write as 10 to the power a plus b. Next, question number 8. Given log a is equal to m and log b is equal to n, express a cube upon b square in term of m and n. So first, given log we will change into the exponential form. Log a equal to m If we change into exponent, it will become a is equal to 10 to the power m, and log b equal to n. If we change into exponent, this will be b is equal to 10 to the power n. Now we have to change a cube upon b square into the term of m and n. A we can write as 10 to the power m whole cube. This is 10 to the power n whole square. So 10 to the power 3m divided by 10 to the power 2n, and division means power we have to subtract. So 3m minus 2n. Question number 9. Given log x is equal to 2a and log y is equal to b by 2. First part, write 10 to the power a in term of x. So first we will start with this. Log x is given equal to 2a. So if we change into exponential form, it will be x is equal to 10 to the power 2a. So we have 10 to the power 2a is equal to x. 10 to the power a whole power 2 is equal to x. So this 2, if we shift another side, it will become power half. So 10 to the power a 2 multiply with 1 by 2 or both side, power 1 by 2. So this will cancel out. 10 to the power a is equal to x to the power half, or you can write it as root of x. Second part, write 10 to the power 2b plus 1 in term of y. So first this we will change into exponential form. It will become 10 to the power y is equal to 10 to the power b by 2. Now we have to change this. So here we will write this 10 to the power 2b plus 1. We can write 10 to the power 2b into 10. Little more we can change 10 to the power b by 2 whole to the power 4. 2b we can write like this also, b by 2 into 4. Finally it will be 2b only. Now this b by 2 is equal to y. So this is y to the power 4 into 10, or we can write 10 y to the power 4. Third part, if log p is equal to 3a minus 2b, express p in the term of x and y. So this if we change into exponential form, we will get p is equal to 10 to the power 3a minus 2b, or we can write 10 to the power 3a divided by 10 to the power 2b. This we can write as 10 to the power 2a whole to the power 3 by 2. This 2 I have multiplied up and down because we have 10 to the power 2a is equal to x. So that's why we have changed in this form. Down we can write as 10 to the power b by 2 whole to the power 4. So b by 2 into 4, this is actually 2b only. Now this 10 to the power 2a is equal to x. So we can replace it with x to the power 3 by 2. Down this is equal to y. So this is y to the power 4. So p we got in the term of x and y. Question number 10. If log of y to base 2 is equal to x and log of z to base 3 is equal to x, find the value of 72 power x in the term of y and z. So first these given log we will change into the exponential form. Log of y to base 2 is equal to x, we can write y is equal to 2 to the power x. Same way log of z to base 3 is equal to x, this we can write z is equal to 3 to the power x. Now 72 to the power x we have to write in term of y and z. So first do the factor of 72. 72 we can write as 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2. So 72 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 whole power x. We can write it as 2 to the power 3x, 3 to the power 2x. So 2 to the power x power 3 and 3 to the power x power 2. Now we can replace 2 to the power x is equal to y. So it will become y cube and this will become z square. So finally we have y cube and z square equal to 72 to the power x. Next question number 11. If log x to base 2 is equal to a and log y to base 5 is equal to a, write 100 to the power 2a minus 1 in the term of x and y. So first these given logs we will change into the exponential form. So from first one we will get x is equal to 2 to the power a, and from second one we will get y is equal to 5 to the power a. Now this 100 to the power 2a minus 1 we will split. We can write it as 100 to the power 2a by 100 power 1. Then again 100 we can write as 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. Same like last question, you have to do prime factorization, whole power 2a. So this we can write 2 to the power 4a, 5 to the power 4a. Power we have to multiply. Now again we can write it as 2 to the power a whole power 4, 5 to the power a whole power 4 divided by 100. So 2 to the power a is equal to x and this is equal to y by 100. So this is our answer. So in this video we are doing till here. This exercise is over. Hope you understood all the questions. Thank you for watching this video.